Welcome to the season of renewal spring. There's no better time to refresh your porch and create a welcoming space that captures the beauty and vibrancy of this time of year. Whether you have a small stoop or a sprawling front porch, decorating for spring is all about embracing color, nature, and charm. In this guide, we'll explore ideas for transforming your porch into a delightful springtime retreat. With thoughtful touches and simple updates, you can create a space that feels fresh, inviting, and full of seasonal cheer. One of the simplest ways to bring spring to your porch is through floral displays and planters. Start by choosing flowers that bloom in spring, such as tulips, daffodils, pansies, or hyacinths. These vibrant blooms add a splash of color and instantly elevate the aesthetic of your porch. Planters are a versatile way to showcase these flowers. Use a mix of pots in different sizes, shapes, and materials to create visual interest. Terracotta pots offer a classic look, while metal buckets or wooden crates can add a rustic charm. If you're feeling creative, consider upcycling items like old boots, watering cans, or even baskets as unique planters. Hanging baskets filled with cascading flowers like petunias or ivy are perfect for saving space while adding vertical interest. Window boxes can also be filled with spring blooms to frame your porch with color. For a more natural look, use planters made from woven materials or natural wood. If you're aiming for a cohesive theme, stick to a specific color palette, such as pastels for a soft, airy feel or bold, bright colors for an energetic vibe. Don't forget to include greenery like ferns or ornamental grasses to balance the floral elements. These small touches make your porch come alive with the spirit of spring. If these spring porch decor ideas brought a touch of freshness and charm to your home, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love seasonal decorating. Comfortable and stylish seating is a must for a spring porch. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or watching the sunset, creating a cozy seating arrangement helps your porch become an extension of your home. Start by selecting furniture that suits the size of your porch. For smaller spaces, consider a bistro set with a table and 2 chairs. Larger porches can accommodate rocking chairs, a porch swing, or even a small outdoor sofa. Choose cushions and throws in spring-inspired colors and patterns. Floral prints, pastel hues, and light, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen enhance the seasonal theme. Layering these accessories adds depth and makes your seating area more inviting. If space allows, include a small coffee table or side table to hold drinks, snacks, or decorative items. Add a touch of charm with a vase of fresh flowers or a lantern. Wicker furniture is particularly popular for spring porches, as it complements both traditional and modern styles. Think about incorporating multifunctional furniture, such as benches with hidden storage for outdoor essentials. Arrange the furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation, ensuring there's plenty of room to move around comfortably. By combining practicality with aesthetic appeal, your porch will become a cozy and stylish retreat. For more seasonal decorating tips and creative ideas, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Lighting plays a crucial role in making your spring porch feel magical, especially in the evenings. String lights are a versatile option that can be draped around railings, wrapped around columns, or hung along the ceiling. Opt for warm white lights for a soft glow or colorful bulbs for a playful touch. Lanterns and candles are perfect for adding ambience to your porch. Place them on tables, steps, or hanging hooks to create layers of light. For a spring vibe, choose lanterns in pastel colors or floral patterns. Solar-powered lights are a practical and eco-friendly choice, offering convenience and charm. Decorative accents tie the entire porch together. Add outdoor rugs in soft patterns or bold designs to anchor your seating area. Place wind chimes near the door or hang them from the ceiling for a soothing sound on breezy spring days. Birdhouses, watering cans, and garden statues can also double as decor, adding a whimsical element to your space. Don't forget about personal touches, like framed photos, potted herbs, or handmade crafts. Incorporating these elements makes your porch feel like an extension of your personality. The key is to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics, ensuring your porch is both practical and beautiful. How are you decorating your porch for spring this year? Share your favorite ideas or touches in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans. The front door is the focal point of your porch, and spring is the perfect time to dress it up with seasonal decorations. A wreath is a classic way to add charm and personality to your door. Opt for a wreath made of fresh or faux flowers, greenery, and natural elements like twigs or moss. Spring-themed wreaths often incorporate pastel colors, blossoms, and accents like butterflies, bird nests, or eggs to capture the essence of the season. If you're feeling creative, consider making your own wreath using materials like grapevine bases, silk flowers, and ribbons. This personal touch can make your porch decor feel truly unique. In addition to wreaths, you can enhance your door with other decor. A wooden or metal welcome sign, a floral garland draped over the frame, or a charming seasonal doormat are great options. Consider hanging a decorative basket filled with fresh flowers or greenery for a simple yet elegant alternative to a traditional wreath. Adding small details like a polished brass door knocker or pastel-colored door numbers can further enhance the look. These touches draw attention to the entrance and create a warm, inviting vibe for visitors. Your front door decor sets the tone for your entire porch, so make it as cheerful and welcoming as spring itself. Check out our seasonal decor playlist for more inspiration to refresh every corner of your home, from porches to living spaces. Spring is more than a season, it's a feeling, a celebration of renewal, and a chance to embrace the outdoors. Your porch is the perfect place to reflect this vibrant energy. By decorating thoughtfully, you can create a space that feels alive with the colors and charm of spring. Every detail you add, from the flowers to the furniture, tells a story of the season and breathes new life into your home's exterior. Think of your porch as the first impression of your home, a space where guests are welcomed, and you can enjoy peaceful moments surrounded by nature. It's a place where the simplicity of spring meets the creativity of design, transforming it into a warm and inviting retreat. As the days grow longer and the weather becomes milder, your porch becomes the ideal spot to sip coffee in the morning, read a book in the afternoon, or watch the stars in the evening. Decorating your porch is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a connection with the natural world around you. The flowers you plant, the textures you choose, and the decor you display are all part of this harmonious relationship. Spring decor reminds us to celebrate life's simple joys, from the vibrant colors of blooming flowers to the soft glow of lanterns at dusk. Your porch can also be a reflection of your personal style. Whether you love modern minimalism, rustic charm, or whimsical touches, the decor you select can turn your outdoor space into a true extension of your home. From handmade wreaths to carefully arranged planters, each piece you add enhances the overall atmosphere and tells a story unique to you. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. The gentle twinkle of string lights or the flicker of candles creates a sense of magic, especially during the evenings. These soft, glowing accents not only enhance the decor but also invite relaxation, turning your porch into a peaceful haven. Every element of your porch decor serves a purpose. The furniture offers comfort and function, the plants bring life and vibrancy, and the accents add personality and charm. Together, they create a cohesive space that feels welcoming and inspired. It's a space where you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while being surrounded by touches of home. Spring porch decor is also a celebration of the season's optimism. The pastel hues, blooming flowers, and fresh greenery remind us of new beginnings and the possibilities that come with them. Your porch can become a sanctuary where you not only enjoy nature but also find inspiration in its growth and beauty. Ultimately, your porch is more than just a transitional space, it's a destination. It's a place where memories are made, where conversations flow, and where the beauty of the season is appreciated.